We all know Modak is Lord Ganesha's favorite. But this Ganesh Chaturthi, let's indulge in something that is delicious and mouth-watering. So let's quickly see the recipe for Besan Halwa. I'm going to be making this halwa with jaggery. So the first step is to melt the jaggery in some water. So let's do that. I have here 1 cup of jaggery. Next, add in 2.5 cups of water. Give it a mix and let's put this to boil on low heat. Keep stirring periodically till the jaggery melts. I'm using jaggery for this recipe. You can use equal quantity of sugar. The proportions to make any aate ka halwa is very simple. Equal quantity of jaggery or sugar to the flour, 2.5 times of the liquid, which is water or milk, and half quantity of the ghee. And now let's start roasting the flour. Add in half a cup of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, let's add in 1 cup of gram flour or besan. Give it a good mix. If you feel the need, you can add more ghee a little later. Break all the lumps. This step of roasting the flour is extremely important. So be patient and don't be in a hurry. After roasting the flour in the ghee for 3 to 4 minutes, you can see it's starting to become frothy. At this point, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of semolina and roast this as well. Semolina gives a very nice texture to this halwa, also increases the volume. Make sure you stir it constantly. As you can see, the color has started to change but needs to become slightly more darker. So continue roasting. As you can see, the color has become nice golden. I've been roasting this for at least a good 8 to 10 minutes. And now into this, I'm going to add in a small pinch of saffron. Cook the saffron for a few seconds. And now very carefully, let's add in the jaggery water which has been simmering. Give it a good mix and let this boil. Keep stirring till it becomes thick. The halwa has started to become thick and we need to cook this till it starts oozing out some ghee as well. The trick to make the perfect halwa is to roast the flour very well. Next into this, I'm going to add in some cardamom powder. As you can see, some ghee has started to ooze out and the halwa has stopped sticking to the pan. This is the perfect time to add in some nuts. I have some almond and pistachio flakes. You could even fry these in ghee and then add it in. The halwa is not sticking to the pan. Let's turn off the flame. And now it's time to plate. Garnish with some pistachio and almond flakes. A smooth, aromatic, rich in texture and flavor Besan Halwa is ready. The most important step is roasting. So please take your time and roast the flour very well. Do try this recipe at home. Comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.